Building multiple income streams is one of the most effective strategies for achieving financial security and freedom. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in today's unpredictable economic climate. Diversifying your income not only provides stability, but also opens the door to wealth-building opportunities that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Whether you're looking to supplement your current earnings, prepare for unforeseen circumstances, or create a path to financial independence, this ultimate guide will show you how to build multiple income streams step by step. The first step is to understand the different types of income streams. There are three main categories: earned income, passive income, and portfolio income. Earned income comes from your job or active work, such as freelancing or consulting. Passive income is money you earn with little to no ongoing effort, like rental income, royalties, or dividends. Portfolio income is generated from investments, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The key to building multiple income streams is balancing these types to create a diversified portfolio that supports your financial goals. Start with your primary income stream, your job or main source of earned income. Before diversifying, it's important to maximize your current earnings. This could mean asking for a raise, taking on additional responsibilities, or seeking higher-paying opportunities in your field. The extra income can serve as seed money to fund your other income streams. Next, explore freelancing or side hustles. The internet has made it easier than ever to monetize your skills and hobbies. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Etsy allow you to offer services or sell products to a global audience. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, you can take on freelance projects. If you're passionate about crafting, you can create and sell handmade items. These side gigs not only supplement your income, but can also grow into full-fledged businesses over time. Passive income is another critical component of building multiple income streams. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income is through real estate. This could involve renting out a property, managing short-term rentals like Airbnb, or even investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Another option is creating digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or stock photos that can be sold repeatedly without requiring constant effort. While passive income streams often require upfront time and financial investment, they can provide a steady income flow once established. Investments are a cornerstone of multiple income streams. Investing in the stock market, mutual funds, or ETFs allows you to earn portfolio income in the form of dividends and capital gains. The key is to start early and consistently, even if you're only investing small amounts. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401(k) to maximize your returns. Diversify your investments to minimize risk, and consider reinvesting your earnings to accelerate growth. Another way to build income streams is through entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can provide both earned and passive income opportunities. For instance, a consulting business could bring in active income while also offering the potential for passive income through licensing intellectual property or selling digital resources. Identify a gap in the market or a problem you're passionate about solving, and build a business around it. Don't overlook the power of royalties and affiliate marketing. Royalties come from intellectual property like books, music, or inventions, while affiliate marketing involves earning commissions by promoting other people's products. For example, if you run a blog or YouTube channel, you can partner with brands to promote their products and earn a percentage of the sales. These streams can be particularly lucrative if you have a large audience or niche expertise. As you build multiple income streams, it's important to stay organized and manage your finances effectively. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and taxes for each stream. Use budgeting tools or financial apps to maintain clarity and ensure you're reinvesting wisely. Diversifying your income doesn't mean spreading yourself too thin. Focus on streams that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. It's also essential to continuously educate yourself and adapt to changing market trends. Attend workshops, read books, and follow thought leaders in areas that interest you. As you learn and grow, you'll discover new opportunities to expand your income portfolio. Let's recap the steps to building multiple income streams. 1. Maximize your primary income by increasing your earning potential at work. 2. Explore freelancing or side hustles to monetize your skills and hobbies. 3. Create passive income through real estate, digital products, or royalties. 4. Invest consistently to generate portfolio income through stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. 5. Consider entrepreneurship to create scalable income opportunities. 6. Leverage affiliate marketing or partnerships to earn commissions. 7. Stay organized and manage your finances across multiple streams. 8. Continuously educate yourself and adapt to new opportunities. Building multiple income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. By diversifying your income, you'll gain financial security, reduce your dependence on any one source of earnings, and accelerate your path to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on building wealth, and share it with someone who's ready to diversify their income. Let us know in the comments which income stream you're excited to start working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.